Yes, everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me again. It's raining here. Of course, here in Malaysia, it's raining. So everyone, I'm here in Zoo Negara or National Zoo in Malaysia. So here we are. Guys, I'm walking under the rain in this place. You see, but it's nice. So alright guys, we are going to find the entrance. How can we go inside the zoo? Alright. I'm making adventure alone, you know. This is really fun for me. You see, when you are alone, you can do whatever you want. You can go wherever you want. Rain or shine, you can do it. So, let's go and join me. This is the place. This is the entrance. So, we gotta go inside, but we have to pay for the ticket. And I don't know how much is that. So, find out. Okay, this is the situation here, guys. All the animals are hiding because it's raining, as you see. But this is a quite nice park, guys. Very nice. Oh, my friend are here climbing. Monkeys. Hi, guys. You see? Look at him. Hello. At least they are awake. It's so nice. Even it's raining, it's still nice. Look at the bat. Oh. Hi. I can smell the animals. Of course, this is zoo. Zoo. Zoo me. Yeah, if you are lazy to walk, you can ride. You can ride there. But it's nice when you go for a walk. You will enjoy. Look at them. And look at that one, small fountain.
You think that there are dinosaurs moving?
There is a cow. Is it a cow or carabao over there? It's so good, guys. So nice here. It's so quiet. You know. And this is a very big zoo. Zoo. I can pronounce it properly. Zoo. Look. So there. It's like a panda, but black. Are they panda? Look. They're just so quiet. I think they are swimming here. They do swimming here. They have a place to... Look at this one. He's so funny. Can you see, guy, the one on the top of the tree? It's not a tree. Yes, it's tree, but the top there, sitting quietly, that's a animal. This one, you see? The other guy is playing, look. Playing with the water. The old man's walking. They're so cute. My goodness. It's so nice. Wow. Please enjoy watching, guys. Just enjoy. And I'm enjoying also walking alone here. And I can show you a lot more. I think they eat this one. That's their food. Oh, there is a monkey over there. So many monkeys. Wherever you go. Oh. Where's that? Look. It's a kangaroo. You see, guys, how beautiful? Look. I'm so lucky, you know, because after that very strong rain, it stopped. So I come here. This is so nice. Let's see what's inside here. So small. There is a small kangaroo there. You see this one? The small one. Alright guys, hope you enjoy watching. You see, the sun comes out. Give me a chance to come to this place. Even it's a little bit raining earlier, like when I arrived here, I said it's okay. I want to come here. I don't want to waste my time. Yes. And there is a lake here. You can see all the swan over there. I don't want to jump. I have no extra clothes. Look. Wow. So quiet. So lovely place. Look, this is the scariest one. Oh my gosh. Oh no. What he's thinking about. Look. Look at that guy there. Just sitting. I don't think he's gonna be my friend. He's thinking about something else. Just he kept walking and walking. Oh no, bye. Over there, but they are so white. Why are you just laying down? It's a lion, I think. Yeah, they're a lion. White lion. They're very dangerous. I'm scared about them. I'm sure they're not gonna be my friend. The monkey they are. This is so nice. This is really nice. Oh, there's a birds here. Look at this one. So cute. It's all, oh, a hen. I think there's an egg here. Hen, bird, look. She's the one making egg. The one every morning I eat. Look at this one. This is very nice. Look. This is very cute. Look at that one. Oh my god. There's a peacock also. That is the food. Papaya, some vegetables, and they're going to make salad for them. Look at that one. It's not moving. Oh, there is a man cleaning. This is so cool. There's so many people taking a photo to the peacock. Look, at least there is a fruit so they can eat. This is cool. So they have their own room, so they cannot go anywhere. So this is the door. But this is also inside the park, inside the sea. Hi. I don't know where I'm going now. I think I lost. I want to go out. I don't know where. Where is the exit? Hope it's nice. It's so quiet, even there is a people. It's so quiet. Very peaceful. I just want to find out how to go out. Where's the main gate? This is really very big. Look at the giraffe. It's real. I thought it's not. Wow. It's so cool. They're eating. Yum. It's so nice. Yeah, I finally found the exit, the main gate. So this is great. I can go home now, but not yet. I still want to go somewhere. So okay guys, that's all what I can share to you for today. I hope you enjoy watching. I hope you you like this episode today, and thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.